And now, hip hop track. Let's go. Start with lunges. Lunge and feet together. And use the hands. And use your head also. Shoulders down and up. Relax. Repeat. Lunge. Side and front. Side and front. Remember the arms. Okay. We start with fast march. 1 and 2 and 3 and lunge. Right and left. Open march. Yes, you got it. Easy. One more time. Fast march. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Lunge and lunge. Open march. Yeah. Repeat. Use your style because it's a slow music. Lunge. Now slide and lunge to the side. Slide and lunge. Slide and lunge and open. Fast march. Fast. Lunge. Right and left. Slide and lunge. Slide and lunge. Slide and lunge and stop. Now arms in the fast march. Up and down. Up and down. Open. And circle in the slides. Circle. One more circle. And hands. Yes, fast march. Up and down. Open. Circle. And lunge. And lunge. Open and hands. Are you ready? Come forward. And the arm from beginning in the lunges. And diagonal back. Circle, lunge. Circle, lunge. Circle, hand. And 3 more hands. Come on. Woo! Lunge. Use your head to go to the same side. Circle, lunge. Circle, lunge. Circle, hands. 3, 2, 1. Come on. I think you got it. Go back. Very good. Last time. Yes. Enjoy the music. Circle, lunge. And circle, hands. Balance. 2 and stop. 2 and stop. Yeah. Use your torso and use your hands on your hip. One more time. Right, left, and stop, and switch. Yes. Very easy. Now we have to add knees. Open, close, and up. Watch. Balance, balance. Open, close, and up. Balance, balance. Open, close, and up. You got it? Yes. Heels up to do that. Balance. Open, and knee. Open, close, and knee. Okay, you got it now. From the top. You ready? Come forward with hands up and down. Lunges. Slide back. Circle. Circle and hands. 3. Balance. Knees. Open, close, and up. Open, close, and up. Yes. Perfect. One more time for everybody. Come on. Lunge. Come back. Circle and hands. Go. Knee up. Very good. Good. Open march and slow motion. Hand. Watch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Stay here. Okay, one more time. Use your hands. Hand, hand, twist around your head. Stay here. We have to add more. Let's go. Watch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step to the front. 5 and 6. Jump. And 7 and 8. Come back again. 1 and twist around your head. Step to the front. Go up. Change. Shoulder. Make it faster. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, you got it. One more time. That speed. Go. 1 and 2. Around your head. Step up, down, and shoulders. Okay. Now it's time to do it. The whole choreography. Come on. Yes. Lunge. Slide and circle. Circle. Hands. Balance. Knees. The other side. Combination. Step 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and from the top. Jump. Yes. You got it. Circle. Again. Balance, relax, and knees. Relax and knees. Combination 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Last time. Come on. Woo! You got it? I think you can do it. Second part. Relax. Yes. Combination. And be ready for the last one.